Indian Railways have adopted epoxy cum polyurethane painting system for exterior painting of diesel and electric locomotives. 2-pack paint based on polyurethane substances as stated further. The primary resource is polyurethane paint, PU paint. Polyurethane is a polymer composed of a chain of organic units joined by carbonate, urethane, links. While most polyurethanes are thermosetting polymers that do not melt when heated. Components of the painting system. The painting system has priming, epoxy zinc phosphate primer putty, unsaturated polyester putty surface a, PU surface a finishing, PU full gloss enamel,